In this video, I'll show you how to cancel YouTube Premium or your free trial so you don't get charged. This works on iPhone, Android, and computers and helps you manage your YouTube subscription settings easily. So, first, open a web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that has your YouTube Premium membership. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, go to Settings, then tap on Purchases and Memberships. Here, select YouTube Premium, but on my mobile phone it does not show because I do not have a premium. I will tell you all the steps one by one. You'll now see your active plan along with the next billing date. This is important if you want to cancel before being charged. Tap on Cancel Membership. YouTube will show a confirmation screen. Just tap Continue, then select Yes, Cancel to confirm. And that's it. Your YouTube Premium or free trial is now canceled, but you'll still have access until the current billing cycle ends. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more YouTube tips, subscription guides, and how-to tutorials.